Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're diving into the world of crypto, you know how exciting it is to move your assets around. Today, we're tackling how to transfer Solana from Crypto.com to Bitrue in 2025. Whether you're looking to diversify your portfolio or just switch platforms, this step-by-step guide will make it straightforward and secure. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Crypto.com and Bitrue. Double-check that your accounts are verified. Most exchanges require this for withdrawals to prevent any hiccups. If you haven't already, verify your identity. It usually takes a few minutes to a day. Step 1. Log into your Bitrue account. Head over to the wallet section and find your Solana wallet address. This is crucial. Copy it carefully because it's like a unique key to your funds. Pro tip. Always double-check the address to avoid sending your Solana to the wrong place, which could mean losing it forever. Now, switch to your Crypto.com app or website. Go to your wallet, select Solana, and look for the Withdraw or Transfer option. Paste the Bitrue wallet address into the recipient field. You'll need to enter the amount you want to transfer. Remember to leave a little extra for network fees, which can vary based on Solana's blockchain congestion. Before you hit confirm, review everything: the address, the amount, and any fees. Once you're sure, go ahead and confirm the transaction. You'll get a confirmation code or email. Save that for your records. After that, sit tight. Solana transfers are usually fast, often within minutes, but it can take up to an hour depending on network traffic. Once it's done, check your Bitrue account to confirm the deposit. If anything goes wrong, reach out to customer support on either platform right away. And there you have it. Your Solana is now on Bitrue. Always prioritize security. Use two-factor authentication and never share your private keys. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.